This type of female O2 sensor connector can be found on Ford vehicles from the late 90s all the way to about 2010. There's green ones, purple ones, there's even a blue one, but the concept is still the same. For the job, I recommend you buy the Amazon D-Pin Toolkit. It's one of the generic toolkits offered on the site. Costs about 15 bucks. You can do the job with a small screwdriver, even a small pick. First, you're going to use a tool like this from the D-Pin tool set and remove that red middle rotating piece. Just pop it up like that. Next, you're going to see that the two terminals on the bottom there have two tabs holding it down. What you want to do is lift up those tabs. So we're going to use a tool like this. Now there's different sizes. The perfect size is one that fits into the terminals. And now we're going to release those two tabs. So now it's in between the two tabs. And we're just going to wedge up, hold it, and now we can pull the cables. Now we can pull the wires. Easy as that. You can always use a single prong to replace one wire at a time. Here's the reason for this D-pin. The connector was touching the exhaust and melted. Man, that's wild. A tremendous hazard. The reassembly is easy. Just pop in the correct wire into place. It makes a satisfying noise. Have a good day.